Fritz Klein. Next to Josef Mengele and Klaus Schilling, Fritz Klein is another evil Nazi doctor who broke the Hippocratic Oath and took part in horrible Nazi crimes committed during the Second World War. Before the war, he lived and worked as a doctor in Romania. His darkest period is connected to Auschwitz concentration camp and the atrocities committed there. He took active roles in selections on the ramps, which means he was the one who decided who would live, or rather, try to survive under terrible conditions in the concentration camp, or alternatively, who should die immediately. Human life meant nothing to him. One Holocaust survivor remembered after the war that Klein was debating whether to send her 12-year-old son for hard work or not. She managed to persuade Klein that her son was not old enough for hard work. However, soon after, she learned that her son had been sent to the gas chamber as he was considered useless by the Nazis because he could not work. Klein took part in medical experiments and injected lethal chloroform or phenol into prisoners' hearts. He had no problem carrying out Zyklon B cans to the gas chambers in a Red Cross ambulance car. When he was asked about his Hippocratic Oath in relation to the Jews he killed, he said that Jews were a gangrenous appendix in the human body, which he wanted to cut out. He was captured by the Allies in Bergen-Belsen concentration camp, together with his boss, Josef Kramer, and other Nazi monsters. He was tried at the Bergen-Belsen trials, where he denied all his actions during the war and showed neither regret nor remorse. Fritz Klein was found guilty and sentenced to death by hanging. He was 57 years old when he was executed on the 13th of December, 1945. There were no tears shed for him. Thanks for watching World History Channel, and don't miss our next videos. Click the subscribe button now for more interesting clips. Give us a like, and see you in the following episode.